Got a video today from a Florida auditor, new guy I guess. I don't know how long he's been around. He's got 97 subscribers. He's got a bunch of sideways taken videos. It's a mess. I'm gonna fix this one after it starts, and then I'm gonna put a link on how to fix sideways videos. So if you have that problem, you'll know why it happens and how to fix it. Anyway, he's auditing an Amazon plant, you know, doing the same stuff everybody else does and saying the same things everybody else does, and gets the cops called, and it's just crazy. Anyway, this is the new breed, I guess.
From a public property area, so you can film all day. You can film all your...
Oh great, another auditor that doesn't know how to film. I'm gonna fix this and we'll finish it.
all day long in a public area. But when you enter someone else's property, that's private property. Okay, you can't go on private property.
Who's making the determination that I was trespassing?
What do you mean, who's making the determination?
Who made the determination that I was trespassing?
Because they said, on the property?
Because they said so.
Okay. Well, this is the thing. They
don't want you on the property. They took their word that I was trespassing on their property. Okay. I said I wasn't. So my definition of their property doesn't mean nothing. It's theirs.
I'm pretty sure the property owner takes priority over a dummy with a camera. Anyway, another problem with having to fix their videos is they come out teeny tiny because they filmed it in started filming in portrait and then flipped their camera when it was too late. So you get a little teeny tiny video like this, about the size of the guy's brain, I think. Anyway.
Right, it's their property.
At first,
if it's their property, okay. You can stand out here all day long and film.
I could go over to as far as those poles, technically.
Where?
Those poles.
Yeah, on the sidewalk. Yeah, you can go over there and film all day.
Yeah.
All day.
And I could go where I was at too.
But they don't want you on your on the property.
I was not on the other side. I was not on the other side of the fence.
Okay, were you in the driveway there?
I was not on the other side of the fence. There's there's signs down there. Not one of them says anything about trespassing beyond this point.
Okay, listen.
Yeah, well, she went in.
Hang on, we'll be sure to get with them, okay? To have them put up more clearly marked trespassing signs. There. But as far as that driveway, that's their driveway on their property. Okay, if you've entered that, all right, they can issue a trespass warning. That just tells you that you're not allowed to come back to their property. They don't want you on their property. Now, if you said your business was you were trying to film something, you can stand out here on the sidewalk all day and film all you want. It's a public property. It's a public area. So have at it. Film all you want. But as far as when you start going on their driveway, their property, okay, they can issue you a trespass warning. That means you're no longer welcome there. They don't want you on the property.
And then this officer here violated my Fourth Amendment rights. He has no business running my license plate unless I had reasonable, articulate suspicion of committing a crime or something.
That's not true.
I've figured this out mathematically, every equation I could think of to make sure I knew what I was talking about here. And the chances of anything this guy says being right are like 200 billion and 999 million thousandths of to 1. So he's probably wrong about everything he says, I would guess.
You're on public property. You're on public property now. He can run the tag if he chooses to do so on public property.
This ain't Russia or Cuba or whatever. This is the United States of America. You can't just run. You just can't pull.
Hang on, same right you have to film. He's got a right to run your tag on public property, right?
No, he's a policeman. I'm a citizen.
Okay.
I'm a citizen.
Oh, okay.
I have the constitutional rights.
He can run your tag.
On what suspicion?
Doesn't have to have suspicion.
Or he could go around. He can go around and.
Did he ask you for your name so he could issue?
Yeah, and I refuse to give it to him. I don't have to give it to him.
Well, he can run your tag. It's posted on the outside of your vehicle on public property.
Problem solved with logic. The same logic the auditor used, the cops used back on him. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, please. It just promotes the video, and it doesn't matter if you give it a thumbs down either. It still promotes the video. So thanks.
There has to be a reasonable, articulate suspicion why he run the plate.
I was just trying to ask you what your reason.
That's my business. What I was filming.
Okay. As long as you do it from a public place, there's no issues. Film all you want, sir, but he can run your tag all you want.
No.
They told you they don't want you back on their property, so you've been trespassed.
It's not their property where I was at.
Okay. Well, you've been trespassed from
It's
their
not
property.
marked. Well, I will be back with other auditors.
Okay.
And when I come back, I'll have my GIS information as
Okay.
to what's that. And if there
Like I
ain't
say,
there's no.
Stand out here all day and film all you want.
Oh yeah.
But he can run your tag all day as well. You're on
No,
public
he can't.
property. And it's a state tag affixed to your vehicle. So. And he ran your tag to probably identify you, so we could be sure that you've been informed that you've been issued trespass warning from the property. Okay, because you were in their driveway on their property. So,
No, it's not.
okay. Well, like I said.
We'll take a walk. Come on. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
How in the hell can two
okay.
deputies
Okay.
who know nothing about the Constitution
Okay.
make a determination as to where I was trespassing at? Can't take their fucking word for it.
Okay.
That's just hearsay.
I'm sure he'll clear this all up and we can all go home happy that it's he's right.
Well, you can tell me. I mean, we don't have to walk all the way over there.
No, I'm gonna ask you your opinion. What you would think.
Okay.
I know about utility lines, water line, gas lines. Those are public easements for any property. They own the property, but that's a public easement. So I can walk them down there all day. I filmed every damn prison in the northern part of Florida here, from outside to the inside.
So what I'm asking you is where you were standing at when you were filming.
Up against the fence, because the sign says no trespassing.
Up against the fence.
Up against
after
the
you
fence
entered
in the driveway.
here?
That's right.
Okay. So you entered their driveway, right?
That's right.
This driveway is on their property. This driveway is built on their property to enter their fenced area on their property.
So technically, those poles
hang on.
and the sidewalk.
Wait, right here. The truck that's pulling in right there, you're gonna say you're about where the front end is now?
I was up against the fence where the sign says no trespassing.
Okay.
So that made a determination I could go up to the fence, which is why that fence line's down through there.
Okay,
That defines it. That defines their property.
Listen to me. Right, you're standing up to the fence, is that correct?
That's right.
Okay. Well, this driveway leading onto their property, okay? That's their property. In other words, they've put that driveway there leading out to the
It
road.
does not say I couldn't walk up in there.
Okay. Well, like I say, we'll get with them, make sure there's signs that read, you know, that way there's no misinterpretation of the law. But as far as that driveway, that's their driveway leading into their business on their property. Okay. So.
Amazon built the driveway, not the public utility company. Amazon built and paid for the driveway. It's their property. Period. Jesus, what part of that doesn't this guy understand? None of them understand this. I don't know what the deal is.
We will get with them to try to make sure they post a sign out here even further. That way there's no mistake in where their property begins and where it ends. But this is the thing. They can trespass anyone because it's not private. I'm sorry, it's private property. It's not public property. So they don't want you there anymore. They could trespass me if they didn't want me there anymore. So it's neither here nor there. Okay? But to avoid you getting yourself in any trouble, just stay away from their property or even away from their driveway there, and we won't have no issues. You can stand out here again in the median, on the sidewalk. You can sit out here all day long.
I'm gonna stand out here and film and get what content I want.
Okay.
No, that's what you tell me. I can stand out here and get the content that I want.
You can stand out here and film all day long. It's
And I could get the content I want for my film, right? Standing clear the hell out here, 300 feet away.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I don't get his point either. I don't know what he's trying to explain to the officer. He's pretty illiterate and ill-informed, that's for sure.
You're trying to see something on the property? Is that what?
Anything my eyes can see, I can film.
Okay. Well, like I said, as long as you're standing in the public on public property, you can film whatever you like. Get some zoom lenses. I don't know what else to tell you, but as long as you're standing
The hell with my rights and everything. You just put me through all these loops and everything.
Loops, I'm telling you what your rights are. You can stand out here and film all day.
I know that.
Okay.
I know that.
As long as you're on public property.
But you can't do.
You can't go on people's property and start filming them. That's illegal. You can't go on private property and start filming people.
I know all that.
Okay.
No, you don't, because you're a dang idiot. You're dumber than dirt, dude.
Well, as long as you know.
But who are you and who are they to determine where trespassing starts and not?
It's the property. It's their property that dictates that, not us. This
Now,
is
why
their
in the
property.
fuck don't they have sign out here that says no trespassing like they got on the fence? Why do they have that on the fence?
Well, it's
They
easier-
don't need it on the fence then.
It's
If that's the
easy.
case, they don't need a sign on their
It's
fence.
easier to see it when it's on the fence. It's clearly marked, no trespassing. That means
Right.
on their entire property, sir. On their entire
No, that
property.
means anything on that side behind the sign.
No, that means on their property, no
Oh,
trespassing.
Jesus Christ. It does. See, you're interpreting your own friggin' laws. That's
Oh,
what's,
okay.
that's what's wrong with you people.
Okay, well, I can tell you this. This is their property. They don't want you there.
I don't give a shit.
Okay.
I will check and we'll be back.
Oh, okay. Go check.
Well, since you've been trespassed, legally trespassed, if you go back and go on their property, you will be arrested. I can guarantee you that. Anyway, let's continue.
Check all you like, but as long as you're standing out here on public property, you can do whatever you want as far as the filming goes, okay? Just don't go on their property. Film all day. Don't care what you film. Not violating any laws at that point. Well, have a good day, sir.
Fucking tyrants.
And he ends his videos with fucking tyrants. You know, his channel's really growing by leaps and bounds. He's got 97 subscribers, and he gets as many as 15 to 18 views on his videos. And most of the comments on his videos are telling him what an idiot he is. So, you know, he's pretty popular down there in Florida. I don't know how long he's been around. He got a bunch of videos. Half of them are sideways like this one started out, and it's just ridiculous. But every once in a while he gets one right, you know, horizontal mode. He starts in horizontal mode and ends up in horizontal mode. It's amazing. But anyway, new guy I found from Florida. He may be an old guy, I don't know. He may have been around for years, I don't know. He's not very popular anyway. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. And I'm going to put that link to how to fix videos that are filmed like this one started out in the description. So you have a good day. Bye.